How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can export and import workflows in n8n. Now, this is going to be extremely easy. Of course, right after making your workflows the way you want to, you can just navigate through the three dots at the corner of your screen, which is going to be around this area. Unfortunately, in my case, that option is disabled, but it will then look something like this. So you just want to click on the three dots and then this menu will show up. Now to export your file, you want to click on the download button, which will simply download our workflow right here. And then of course you could just head over to a new blank workflow. And then you want to click on the import from files, which is going to be downloaded onto our computer. Select your downloaded workflow right here. And basically your workflow will then be imported no problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.